Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. The skies turned cloudy today and I felt like making something simple, warm and comforting. Something we have all grown up eating on rainy days. So here's what I made with just onions and a few basic ingredients. Thinly slice 5 onions, add salt as per your taste, little chili powder, 3 green chilies finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some chopped coriander leaves, few curry leaves. Squeeze and mix well. Add 1½ cup of besan, 1/4 cup of rice flour. Squeeze and mix well until the onions get coated with flour. Add little oil and mix. Heat oil in a kadai. Take portions of the mixture, spread and cautiously drop in the kadai. Deep fry the pakodas on medium flame until they turn golden in color and are crispy. Fry the pakodas in batches. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. That's it, a plate full of freshly fried onion pakodas, crisp and warm. I had this with a cup of tea while watching the rain. Sometimes the simplest recipes bring back the strongest memories. Thank you for being here. See you soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always.